What's up guys, I'm John from John Mood. I hope you had a great Christmas time and today we are here for another video of the lab day. It's only a tutorial, you know this. Today I want to show you how to work better on Final Cut Pro 10. Go!
If you live your life to the max, say yeah. If you're making money for the fam, say yeah. If you hold it down for the gang, say yeah. If you're feeling fresh as a mother, say yeah. If you live your life to the max, say yeah.
I want to show you a quick tips for working with Final Cut Pro 10 and make your workflow easier. Let's jump into the computer. So first, it's better to work with external library, so connect your hard drive, and the first thing you need to do is going to Files, open Library, over, and then choose New, because here it's your Final Cut library that you can find on Movie and you have it here. Click New and then name it how you want it. So you can change the name here, but don't forget to keep that .fcp bundle, and then here choose your hard drive, click Save, and when you click Save you're gonna have it here. Mine is called External Library, and then you're going here, and the most important things is to modify the storage location. So click on Modify Settings, and here you need to select your hard drive for media, cache and backups. Put your hard drive on all these things like this, click OK, and then on your hard drive you're gonna see external library here. At the beginning you're not gonna have this file for optimized media and proxies, but when you start to edit a video you're gonna see it here. This is the best way to save your computer space when you're working on a big project or whatever. And you can also organize your hard drive. This one is only for editing, so I put all my files here, my Mavic 2 Pro videos, Mavic Air, Osmo Mobile 2, Osmo Pocket, Phantom 4 Pro, my sound and FX2. So I got everything I need to edit my video here, and it's so much better, trust me. And another best way to work on Final Cut with 4K is like to work with proxies. So you just need to import your files, click here and create proxy media. That way it's gonna create proxy media, and then you need to click on View and Proxy. So now it's not available because, as you can see here, you need to analyze the footage. This can take a little bit of time if you have a lot of footage, but trust me, after that it's so much better for working with. The quality you're gonna see on your screen is not 4K, but it's so much better to edit your project with this because your computer not gonna be laggy when you edit. You don't need to wait for all of your files to analyze when you put some transition, color grade or something like this. It's gonna be so much faster. And when you're done, you just need to switch to optimized media, and then your computer gonna analyze all your project, and then you can export it here. So that's it guys, it's the best way for me to work on Final Cut. This saves you a lot of space on your computer. You can edit so much faster with proxy for the 4K video, so up to you, but for me this is the best way to work on Final Cut Pro 10. That's it for today guys, thank you all for everything. Again, I hope you had a great Christmas time, and I hope to see you soon for the next video. Bye!